everybody, welcome back, or welcome to Dore, Lee, and me. And today, we are here again with another Dollar Tree haul, and we are going to be sharing with you guys what we got at Dollar Tree. So at the end, we're also going to be showing you guys an Amazon package that I'm going to be unboxing. And also, we have a special guest today, my baby brother. Say hi. Okay. But, I'm just gonna go ahead and start, so let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing we have are these sunglasses for me, and these are really cute. I'll try them on for you guys. But this is what you look like. But super cute, and I really like these. And then also to go with it, I got a sunglasses case. So this is just a carrying case to put in my book bag when I go places, but it just closes up nicely and just put them in. All right, the next thing we have is LA Colors Lip Gloss Moisturizing. And this is really cute. It's like this red color, and it has gold glitter in it. And the shade for this is gloss pink. Super cute. The next thing we have is this quick dry, super dry, new and improved formula, and this goes over your nail polish to make it dry faster. Oh, sorry, babies. Alright, so then it dries polish to a high shine gloss, so it makes your nails smooth, nice. And we've always been needing these a lot because I love painting my nails. So, yeah. The next thing we have is the Color Workshop Spring On lipstick. And this is like a dark color. It's like a brownish red color, I would say. And this does not have a shade, but super pretty, cute, and nice. Oh. It's okay. A good boy. Alright. The next thing we have are these lights. And these are fairy lights. And we did undo these so we could put the batteries in. But this is what they look like. And they have these little ponies on them. As you can see. Little cute ponies. And you can turn them on, and with a little switch right here. And yeah, you need batteries. And here are these, and I used these actually last night as a little night light, and they worked really good. They bring in a light in the dark, but it's super cute. So there are those. Next thing is are these donut tapes. These, right when we seen them, we were like, we have to get these because they were so cute. These are donut tapes. It includes tapes, and we got 3 different colors. We got this pink color, a mint green color, and a purple color. And it's really cute because it has the little sprinkles on it. And then it has like a little bite in it, like you took a bite of the donut, and then where the tape comes out, it includes tape, and it's super cute. Got 3 of those. Next thing we got was just this vanilla honey moisturizing hand soap, and this smells good. We use these a lot, but super cute. And then the next thing we got were these 2 elephants for decoration. We got a gold one, and they have really high, nice designs on them. Super cute. And on the front, it has a little flower, Super cute. And then same for this silver one. Super cute. Decorations. The next thing we got were more lipsticks. We got this LA Colors Lip Duo gloss / lipstick, and this is what it looks like. And at the bottom it's the lipstick, and then at the top it's the lipstick, and at the bottom it's the lip gloss. And you can put this on, and then after putting it on you could put on the lip gloss to make it shiny. And I seen this and I was like, oh, this is really cute. So super cute. And this is in the shade Twinkle. The next thing we got was another lipstick, LA Colors Lip Gloss Sheer Lip Gloss, and this is like this bronze color. This is the bronze color, but it's a new one, and it is in the shade Punchy. Super cute. Oh my, he's breathing heavy. Okay. The next thing we got was this Sinful Colors Pout, I think that's how you say it, Pout Play Lip Color, Tube and Kate's color, but it's just like this. It looks white, but it's actually like this clear color, and it's just a nice lip gloss to put on to make your lips soft and smooth, but super cute. Next thing we got was this LA Colors Lip Duo pencil with a built-in sharpener. At the bottom, it's this reddish, is this color that's really pretty. It's like a kind of like a dark nude color, and then the top one's like a light nude color. But you can see the two colors. And then at the top, you can sharpen the pencils so you can reuse them. But this is really nice. It's a 3-in-1 type of thing because it has two colors and a sharpener. And that shade is called Party Time. So super cute. Next thing we got was a micro USB cable, and we got it in this blue color, and super cute as well. And we use this a lot for like our phones, also my brother's Xbox controllers and stuff like that, so super cute. Next thing we got was these yogurt and berries soft taffies, and these are super good. We did already open them because we wanted to try them, but they're super cute and very soft and chewy and super yummy. I definitely recommend these. So next thing we got was these extreme sour popsicles. There's 4 different flavors in these: watermelon, blue raspberry, apple, and black cherry. Freeze and eat. And then it has this little sour meter, and it says extreme sour right there at the corner. And so super, I don't know, I'm not a big fan of sour things, so I'm excited to see how I like these. The next thing we got was this container to put stuff in. So super cute. The next thing we got was this decoration wall art, and on the side it says powder room, and we're gonna put this in our bathroom. But I like how it has all the details and the colors, and it brings bright vibes, super pretty. The next thing we got was this bowl for just whatever you guys really for food. And so yes, okay, so now it's time to get into the part I've been waiting for. Just a minute though. Sorry about that. I had to put my brother down. But if you guys heard him breathing weird, it's because he just got done with the bottle and he doesn't know really how to clear his throat yet because he's just a baby. So that's why he breathes heavy. But we're going to be going on to the unboxing part of this video. And I did already open this, so we don't have to go through the process. But I'm going to open the products with you. 1 second. Okay, sorry again, but I had to give him his pacifier because he was starting to cry. But now let's get on to the package. So we're going to open it up. Alright, so here's what it looks like in the inside. And we're going to start with our first thing, which is I ordered 46 scrunchies for $10. So I love scrunchies. So I always wear them a lot. So I got these. I guess we'll look at them. But they're the velvety ones, so they're super soft and nice. So it comes with tons of colors: red, peach, lavender, yellow, brown, green. So I think I'm going to do some videos with these. So I'm excited for all of these scrunchies. And yay. So I love these. And I've seen other YouTubers get some from Amazon. And I was like, I do these too. So I got those. Next thing we have are some squishies. So I'm going to show you guys squishies. So we have 2 packages from different companies. We're going to start off with this one, Squishy Kawaii. And I have ordered from these before. I got keychain ones from Christmas. So this is what this one looks like. But let's open it up. And these are supposed to be the unicorn ones. So that is what it looks like in the inside. So let's start off with this one. The first one is this unicorn donuts, and these are super soft. We're gonna take it out of the bag if I could. So the rainbow unicorn, it's a donut, and it's very soft, somewhat slow rising, but super cute. I like this one. Hold on. Sorry again, I had to give him a pacifier. He is just spitting it out and wanting attention, honestly. Okay, so the next squishy we have is this one. And that's kind of weird that some of them are wrapped differently, but there is this one. And this one is a unicorn. Just a unicorn. And it's a little bit like a galaxy unicorn. So has little stars on the side, and it's soft, somewhat slow rising like the other one, but super cute. The size is just nice and like perfect to put in your book bag or whatever, but super cute. The last squishy in this box is a unicorn cake. And this one, I've had my eye on these ones because the mall they have some. So they have unicorn cake, and this one is very slow rising and soft, but this one is my favorite probably. It's just so cute, lot of detail and super cute. I like how it's these little rosy little cheeks. Alrighty, so there are those. Super cute. I like them a lot. Now, the last squishy package I'm going to be opening, and these ones have different types of animal squishies in them. So, and this is by Squishy Paradise, Kawaii Squishy Stress Relief, Jumbo, Mochi Toys, Stretch Relief Toys, ages 6 and up. So these, I guess, are the same brand as that, but just different packaging and stuff. So there are these. So we're gonna open these on up. Ooh, super cute. This is what they look like on the inside. So we're gonna begin. So the first one is this one. I'm not positive what this animal is supposed to be. But the lion, a cow, there we go. A cow is what this one is. So let's open it out of the packaging. But these ones are very soft and squishy and slow rising. It's so cute. But I like this one a lot. Next one we're gonna open is this one. And this one is, I think, a deer, a reindeer deer? Yeah. So there's this one, and this one is like Galaxy. If we can open these. Okay, there it is. So this one is super cute. Galaxy. And very nice. Like this one a lot as well. So then the next one we have is a penguin. And this one has a little scarf on it. So let's open up this one. Ooh, this one is very soft. But super cute. But nice and squishy, soft. Alrighty, so the next one we have is a bunny. Look how cute this is. The packaging, this little tail, so cute. But to open it on up. Alright. So this is their bunny, and it's super cute. Has one ear down, one ear up. But also has a little flower, and it's just super adorable. So I really like this one. But super cute. Alrighty, so the next one we have is a little doggy. And it has a little cute blue bow tie, it's a little black tail, and then has an ear that's brown, and then the rest of its head is white. So super cute. So it's soft and squishy, but I like it a lot. Super cute. Alrighty, so we have a couple more in here. So I'm just gonna take these out together because these are the same ones, but just different colors. We have a pink elephant with green ears and stuff, and then we have a purple one with green ears and a blue trunk. So we're gonna open up this. And these is super soft. Okay, sorry about that. I have to give him his pacifier because my mom is actually taping me right now, so I have to give it to him. But you know, he's trying to take his nap, but you know, babies. Okay, back to this. This one, I feel like I've been saying so cute a lot, so I'm gonna say this one is adorable and soft, squishy. And then we have the same one. Where is it? And all of these I've got everything in here I got on Amazon. So, there is this one. Sol Rising as well. Very soft. Super cute. Alrighty, so the last squishy we have is a little giraffe. And this one is so cute. I mean, so adorable. Really cute. It has a red little bow tie and then green eyes, green ears and stuff. So let's open this one up. Alright, this one is very soft, Sol Rising. Super soft actually, one of the softest ones, but super cute. So that is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a like, and if you guys want to be a part of my YouTube channel, then you guys can hit that subscribe button, and hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time guys, bye.